Back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Today, ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa bahay ni Leia. Makikigulo with Ate M. So, let's go. Saturday gala. So, it's ito yung favorite hideout namin. Lagi na kami nandisturb po dito. Wow! We're here in the living room. Hello, thank you for having us. As always, say hello to anytime you want. So chill lang muna tayo, chillin'. So we just come. Nandito kami para sa high tea. Is that high tea? Low tea. The healthy food. It's healthy. Hi, thank you for always inviting us. Sisa mag-nibble na tayo, nibble. So looks like pagod, no? Still looks tired. Oh, katatapos ko lang nag-lunch, tapos sabi nga na have a cup of something tea, and nibble now, and run later, okay? Thank you. We're done our afternoon tea. So let's gonna watch some movie. Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the cinema room. Let's go. So we're inside. Thank you for having us. Always. So where are you gonna sit? We're gonna be social distancing. Social distancing. Ready. It's very comfy with our cinema enhanced glasses. Wow. No, it's okay. You sit dirty and I will sit in the side. So, yan. I'm just preparing for our 6th celebration. And instead we're going to the cinema, so I'll just sit here. Thank you. This is our kind of Saturday. Tina?
It's okay. No.
So before we start,
Debbie Gallagher?
Yeah. Adler, I tell everyone, you don't go into the chamber like that, not on your own. It's like the first lesson, in case something...
Is the chamber used a lot?
It's good for sports injuries. It's like an ice pack, only better.
Why was Mark Adler in there?
It was Dad's idea.
Your dad's?
Neville Gallagher, he's the line's physio.
Besides you, who knows how to operate the control panel?
Anyone who can use a touchpad.
Do we know the next of kin?
Wife Samantha, family liaison with her now.
This is where the lions train. See what they thought of the boss, then, shall we?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
you know. Oh, yeah.
So instead of jump dancing, thank you, Han. So we're gonna start our. Thank you, Ryan. So, Mr. Gray, okay. No, it's not that even. No, it's not that. So, our movie starts now. So, recliners. That's for me. And Ate Emma. Yay! This is my first time too. Lagi kami nagkaplano, pero hindi nakatuloy.
Ngayon na.
Nandito ka, charot, you're special.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
After, Ate Ima would love to dance. No, Zumba, instead of walking, because you like to have an exercise. Party, no? Yung pajama party, ano? So this is really like a leisure, you know, like you can do anything in the house. One day, I feel like I'm rich today. Rich life for a day, you know? So yan, easy tayo. Hi, thanks. Hello. Thank you. Lights off. So our movie will start now. Oh, sorry. It's my fault. So it's gonna start the movie now.
You back it up.
It
looks like we just wake up.
It's true. No? I fall asleep. Thank you. No, I'm not. So thank you very much, Hannah, for the nice movie theater, like cinema.
Next time again.
Thank you. See ya. Really had fun.